What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk No Premium back with another episode of the Funky Future. So, yesterday we based all night long. Didn't quite get down to that 4,072, 3972 that we were talking about yesterday on the Funky Futures. But if you would have just seen, we pretty much based all night here, right? So you could have seen that taking this long after the open right here, right? After we dipped down into here, I mean, this is all just now because we just held, this is just basically demand now. We would have rejected out of this level, but nope. So we went down, touched it, ran back up, right? Perfect. So we took the long there, right? And then what we could have taken, right, was the 40-30 reject. But one thing happened today. I just want to talk on it and just touch on it real quick is I know that there were many people, okay, where are we here? There are many people that went short here on this inverted hammer is a reversal signal. And where was it at? If you look over here, right, it was right here at our 40-30 level. We talked about 40-30. Why is 40-30 also still a big level? Well, let's zoom out here real quick. The last little swing high we had. Okay, where did it get capped at? Right here. We couldn't get through where? 40-35, right? So you could have escaped with a couple points there and been okay. Excuse me. So now we broke above it, right? And then we held. So that's great. And the next level we talked about was where? 40-50, right? We talked about 40-52 actually. I think the high was 40-56. The first touch was right there at about 40-50, 40-52. You could have taken that short as well. So if you did, guys, if any of these levels helped you, I would love to see you guys comment below. Let me know how you guys did. Okay. Plan for tomorrow. Microsoft is earning tomorrow. That's important if you're trading S&P, ESF futures. Why? Because Microsoft is the second largest weighted stonky on the S&P 500 index or ETF. Okay, perfect. Now, what else tomorrow? Manufacturing PMI comes out in the morning, or flash PMI, whatever the fuck they call it, comes out 15 minutes in the market open. So just know that if you're in any futures trades, it's probably going to get your stops ran, or it'll go in your direction that you like. But just know that comes 15 minutes in the open, could make a possible dip buying opportunity I'd be looking for. Tomorrow, I wouldn't mind to see a pullback. Where would I like to see the pullback to? Into this area right here, right, of demand. Obviously now I wouldn't mind seeing this. So a dip down to 80, maybe as low as 72s. I would like to take a long in this area down here. Okay, in this area, basically from this wick of this candle and on up all the way to about 85. Got to be a trader. Just see if we dig down there. I have no idea if we get down there overnight or what happens overnight. But just know Microsoft and is aftermarket, excuse me, and then the manufacturing PMI comes 5 minutes after market close, or after market opens. Microsoft after market close, flash PMI after market open. Hope I didn't get that tongue tied. Where could we possibly pull back to? We just finally saw a little bit of exhaustion today from the buyers of this Ripper Magoo. I mean, we're up about 150 handles right off of this 3,900 bottom. Right. So I would just put a quick Fibby on there and be like, look, where could we come back to? Where would be a healthy pullback? I think 50% would be the worst. As you can see, 50%, 39.84. We talked about 39.85 all the way down to 72s, 39.67 being the 61.8 possible pullback area, right? One thing I do want to note that everybody should take into account as well. If you go to the weekly chart here, I know it's ugly, but let me zoom in. Okay, take a peek. What is capped on the weekly? Every bear market rally thus far. Okay, if you take a peek, once we got under this blue dotted line, so 50 MA on the weekly, right? So we got below it, failed it again, failed it again, and now we're coming back right back here again. Okay, it's at 40.34. Okay, look where we close. I think we closed at probably 40.35 right there. So tomorrow will be important. Do we get our much needed pullback? I don't know. But if for some reason we just gap up and go, okay, there's whoa, just happened. I'm not sure what happened there, guys. Okay. If we do just gap up and go tomorrow, okay, there's some very easy shortable levels up here. Okay, first one being 74. Next one is pretty much 4,100 to 4,110. I would be looking really much to get short up here. Okay. So yeah, 4074, 4100, 4110. You'll want to look to get short in those levels. And if we're going to take a long, you could look at today's low, which is 3980. Like we said, 3972 to 3985 in that area. I'd want to be looking for a long. That's all I got for you guys. Okay. Sorry, this is getting out a little late. Had some stuff going on. But other than that, look forward to getting after it tomorrow with you guys in the market. And I hope you have a great rest of your evening. And of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.